Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize online courses with Coursera for community detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying the needs of your community. Conduct surveys or hold focus groups to gather insights about the topics that interest them. Research the courses available on Coursera that align with these needs. Create a list of relevant courses and categorize them by subject matter. Evaluate the credibility of the courses by checking the institutions offering them. Explore the course ratings and reviews to gauge past. Consider the skill levels required for each course to ensure they are appropriate for your audience. Develop a timeline for your community members to follow when taking the courses. Encourage participation by creating a course schedule and discussing it with your community. Utilize social media or community forums to foster discussions about the courses. Create dedicated online spaces for learners to share insights and ask questions. Facilitate study groups for members who want to collaborate. Consider partnering with local educators or industry professionals to enhance learning. Provide resources or materials that supplement the courses available on Coursera. Monitor progress by regularly checking in with participants and gathering feedback. Adjust the learning plan as needed based on this feedback. Recognize and celebrate milestones within the community to maintain motivation. Share success stories to inspire others and create a sense of accomplishment. Continuously evaluate and refine the approach based on outcomes and community needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.